Today is the first official practice day for the Grand Championship.
Welcome to the training field, son. Grab your leather ball.
I am tracking your practice times with this special digital timer. I am going to score 10 fast goals against your net today.
First, we must warm up your leg muscles with basic stretching movements.
Dad, why must we stretch our bodies before we kick hard?
Stretching increases your flexibility. It prevents your tight muscles from ripping during sprints.
Flexibility makes your muscle ropes long and stretchy like thick rubber bands. My rubber band legs are perfectly flexible and ready to run now.
Dribble the leather ball through the cones without hitting the plastic.
Left foot, right foot. Keep the ball close to my toes. Oh no. The ball escaped my foot control because I moved too fast.
Keep your eyes on the center of the ball to improve your accuracy.
Try it again, Lucas. You are the fastest captain in this neighborhood. No more mistakes. Watch my soccer ball control skills this time. I did it. Every single plastic cone is standing completely straight.
Excellent ball control, son. Now hit one time for the speed test. Sprint to that white line the exact second you hear my whistle.
I am running as fast as a wild forest cheetah today. Whoa! You crossed the white chalk line in exactly 7 seconds. My chest is moving up and down fast. I feel very tired.
Do you know why your heart beats so fast during a sprint? Your heart is working hard to pump oxygen to your muscles.
No, Dad. Is my heart trying to run a race too?
Your heart pumps blood fast to carry oxygen to your working muscles.
Drink this fresh water right now, Lucas. Your body is empty. This ice-cold water tastes better than sweet strawberry party juice.
Sweating makes you lose water. We must maintain your hydration levels. Without water, your brain shrinks slightly. You lose your concentration and accuracy.
My brain is full of water now. My concentration power is back.
Now for the final round. Try to shoot past my arms.
Okay. I will use the top laces of my shoe for maximum power.
Aim for the top corner where his large hands cannot reach fast.
Boom! Fly into the sky, ball. Ah! Did that go into the sky?
Whoa! That ball is moving too fast for my old reflexes.
Goal. A magnificent goal in the top corner of the net box.
Hooray! scored the winning goal for our World Cup team.
That strike had perfect accuracy and massive power, my champion son.
Here is the special prize for the best hydration captain today. My legs feel very tired, but my heart is extremely happy.
Welcome home, heroes. Come eat your hot chicken potato noodle soup.
This hot potato soup smells completely mouth-watering and delicious, Mom. Mom, why are potatoes and noodles good food for soccer players?
They are carbohydrates. They act like fuel logs inside your muscle engine.
Ah! Carbohydrates give my body the fuel to run 20 miles tomorrow.
You practiced with your whole heart and mind today, Captain Lucas.
The sun is gone. Time to rest your muscles for tomorrow. The gold plastic is reflecting the silver moonlight from window.
Sleep well, my brave little World Cup explorer. The night is safe.
Today we practice sudden direction changes. Jump over these wooden blocks.
Got it, Coach. Look at me fly. My knees are very strong and steady. Watch out, Lucas. The furry dog is blocking your running lane. Whoa! He's coming straight for you. Hey, good boy. I used a quick sidestep. The puppy did not touch me.
That quick spin requires a high amount of physical agility, son.
Dad, what is the exact definition of agility for soccer players?
Agility is the power to change body direction fast while keeping balance.
Agility means my body can dodge danger like a moving ninja. Eat this fruit, Ninja Lucas. It has vitamins to repair muscles. Thanks, Anna.
This time, I am the defense wall. Push past my shoulders.
Your body is too wide, Dad. I cannot see the white net. Use a clever fake pass trick, Lucas. Deceive his eyes.
Look right, move left. The classic step-over trick action is done. Oh. Your foot fake trick completely confused my defense balance step.
Goal! Ha! The defense wall is broken by the trick step, Anna.
Mental trick strategy is just as important as leg strength, Captain.
Clean the grass mud away before we go inside for dinner. Okay, thanks, Anna.
Come inside, team. The hot chicken potato stews are ready.
Every practice day brings me closer to the real Gold Cup world. Look at my arm muscles, Dad. They are becoming very hard.
Strong arms help you run faster and push defenders away safely.
Dad, what is the largest bone inside an athlete's leg called?
That's the femur, Anna. It's the strongest bone in the body.
It is the femur. It is the longest
and strongest bone we have.
My femur bone is like a solid steel pillar holding my body. Drink this milk, Lucas. Calcium makes your steel femur bones stronger. Thanks, Mom. Look at my funny milk mustache. I am a coach now. The milk coach is ready to teach the World Cup team.
Time to turn down the lights, boys. Rest your femur bones.
Tomorrow is the final match day. My dream is close now. The big match day is here. The stadium crowd is cheering. Team Captain Lucas is reporting for the big final match, Dad. My blue team is too fast for your small yellow shoes, Captain.
Play fair, play hard, and remember your sports science lessons, kids. Let the final game match begin right now.
He is fast. He is moving toward our empty goal area. Activate your agility defenses, Lucas. Turn your body and run. Got it. The ball is back under yellow jersey control now. My carbohydrate fuel engine is burning hot. I am near net. You cannot score past my hands. I see your eyes, Lucas. Look left, shoot right. The ninja fake pass is happening now.
Oh no! His foot trick completely destroyed my defense calculation steps.
Boom! Go into the top corner of the golden net. Goal. A magnificent gold goal victory strike for the yellow team.
T-Tweety. The match is finished. Yellow team wins the tournament.
Hooray! We won the Grand Golden Trophy Cup for our family.
I am so immensely proud of your brave heart today, my son.
This victory proves that preparation and sports science create true champions.
I dreamed of playing in the World Cup, and love won it.